Oh my god, it's Maddie Ziegler. Look how stunning she looks in the thumbnail. I'm dying. Alright everyone, the video is live. Maddie Ziegler makeup tutorial. Oh my god. Oh my god, go check it out. Go check it out. Go check it out. Everyone, go click on it, watch it, and leave me a dancing girl emoji in the comments. Oh my gosh, guys, shout out to Kristen Dominique. She called me and she's like, your video is just unlisted. Did you mean for people to see it? I'm like, yeah, it's live. She's like, but it's unlisted. So the video is live now. And I'm like, nobody can see it. Like, how come now it's officially public and live? So when I put it live, I accidentally put it in the playlist instead of put it public, just by habit, because I always put it in like a makeup tutorial playlist. Guys, there's so many good things in the video that I want to share with you. Like Maddie, there's a video of Zac Efron sending her happy birthday, and also I imitated Maddie on her video. You have to check her video out. The makeup is beautiful on her. She's so fun and so sweet, and she's very, very mature for her age, and I just love her so much. What else? Oh, and also, I was going to say, ooh, fabulous. Y'all know Recess or not? Because she did not know Recess. Gretchen, Mikey, the Ashleys. Oh my god, she did not know. Ooh, fabulous. Ooh, scandalous. Oh my god. Gosh, you guys, in honor of Pride Month, are you guys excited for this damn tutorial? I haven't done a strong eye in so long. Yes, bitch, yeah. I am shooketh at these photos. Oh my god. Thank you, Peter. And my ring. Love it. I met her right before she started school, and now she graduated. I never thought it would happen. How time she did it! Congratulations! Take off your mask. Take it off. Take it off! Take it off! Yes! Pussy State University, I can't. Documentary, okay, MTV.
And every one of you to look out for our baby girl.
Mama Dragon, come on. She said she was super proud.
74.
You can do it, you can do it. Yes, Dad, yes, Dad the Dragon, Papa Dragon, yes. Where are you? Benefit on 3. 1, 2, 3. Benefit.